Hi, this is Billie Beene here with a U.S. News Flash. Today's date, February 28, 2024. Time in Texas, about 3 p.m., episode 145. JB goes to the hospital. Virginia finds some lost votes. And what is the U.S. military up to? So let's get started. This morning, February 28, about 10 a.m., JB, the actor wearing a mask, allegedly the leader of the free world, made an unannounced visit, which was then publicized. Fox News carried it to Walter Reed. And we've been hearing rumbles of the Dem Party wanting to move JB off of the front stage. So maybe this is a move they're making. And now we have this. So we have had some really bad weather going on, and in the area of Illinois, Chicago, Michigan, plus. Overnight, we had 9 tornadoes, and this area also experienced winds up to 82 miles per hour. Near Chicago, golf ball-sized hail in DuPage County near Chicago. And today, Wednesday, this thunderstorms, tornadoes, flash flooding is going on in Ohio, West Virginia, Kentucky, and then it's predicted to move on to Tennessee. In California, in the Sierra Nevada mountains, they're getting ready for 12 feet of snow, winds 120 miles per hour, blizzard conditions. And what happened in Virginia? Well, they had an election head. Each state has an election person who's in charge of gathering the number of votes and then also reporting to the Electoral College in the process of electing a president. But Virginia fired their election head and found 4,000 missing votes that had been cast for President Trump in 2020. And that would have been the deciding number of votes for President Trump for Virginia. So that's going on. And now we have this. We have something going on with our military in Ogden, Utah. That's the Hill Air Force Base, where they are doing something that's called an elephant walk, and that includes 52 F-35's who are currently being put through an exercise by both active duty and reserves in quick successive takeoffs from the F-35's that have been returned from the Middle East. And according to CENTCOM, they have completed their assignment in the Middle East. So they're in the U.S. being practiced and put through maneuvers and tuned up by both active and reserve U.S. military. This concludes my flash. I love you, and I'll see you soon.